Hi and welcome back to Sims Tutorials. In this video we are going to be looking at Sims modules, the different modules of Sims. We have installed Sims in the previous video. We are now going to be looking at the different modules and the values Sims offers to school. So we are going to log in. So this is Sims on the desktop here. So double click on it to open it. Remember, it has to show ready here, and if you are running on a network, it will show server and the IP address of the server, the database hosting Sims, and it will show all these small things like the LAN, all these things. If you're online, it will be showing this. So you have to log in. So you have to select the section you want to log into. This database has grammar, has 5 sections: grammar, commercial, evening, commercial, technical, industrial. In this case, let's just log into grammar, take OK. So this is the main page of Sims. You see, let's start from the top left. You have LNsoft Sims, the title of the application, the name of the application, the section to which you're logged in this case grammar, the academic year, the current academic year, which is in this case 2022-2023, the sequence in this case. Then it can be the name of the school, in this case LNsoft Bilingual High School. Then the logo on the center, in the center. Then you can see the term, you see the academic year again. Then okay, so you come down here. This is the profile picture or the display picture of the user, the current user, and there's a logout link here. Below it you have your login, your username, then in brackets the name of this username, the name of the person logged in this case administrator can. Here the role, this case is super administrator. On the left pane you have admission, you have registration, you have examination, ID cards, you have teachers page, you have finance page, you have timetable, you have attendance, you have guardians, you have settings. If you come here, you can switch sections. Remember, we logged in to the grammar section. Here you can switch sections, you can change to commercial, and every other thing you'll be doing will be under commercial. So let's come back there. Okay, in the center here you have this metro view. You have admission, you have registration module, you have ID card module, you have finance, you have timetable, you have this. So you realize that most, if not all, what's on this left pane is found in the center. So we just added guardians and attendants. That's why you don't find them here yet. So let's come down to the status bar. You see ready means the application is ready, and you see all of this. Right down here, this to the right, you find the version number. So let's start here, admission. Click on this page. You find it's like the general ledger of everybody in school that's ever been registered in the database in school. They're found here on this page. So if you're searching for a student, any student in any class, this is where you come. For example, this is student Abella A. Costa, for example. I can't see the student from the first page, so I'll just have to say, I'll go to the search bar here. Abella, that's the name here. So you can search there, you can do some things here, such as you print the transcript for the student and all of that. And so okay, that's what you can do. You can print transcript, you can register a new student, you can delete record, you can edit records, you can add a new student like I said before, you can export this and more. So we'll come back to this page, this registration, this admission page later. This page, you can see it's yeah, you can search, as just said, you can search, and it's paginated, so you can, this is page 1 of 136 pages, and it's showing 50 per page. So you realize that they're about if you divide this 6,761 by 50, you have about 136 pages. So you can go straight to the next page, page 4 for example. Let's go to page 2. No, page 2. Page 2. So you can go to the next page, page 3, page 4, but you can also go to the last page here, and you can come back to the first page, and so on. You can select a particular page number here, page 16, etc. So you can do that. On the same page, you can meet a new student directly by clicking on this, add new student, or here, admit new student. Okay, so let's type the name. Okay, realize that SIMS is trying to, we have a function that is called each time you're trying to add a new student, to check in the database if there's resemblance in the name you're trying to add in any order and what is already found in the database, and even gives you suggestions, as you can see here. If I say John, for example, T something, it will even reverse it. If there's a T John, it will tell you, give you all the Johnses or all the T Johns, and even gives you the date of birth, and even shows you the class in which that name is found. If the student has been registered in the class, it will show you. So you know, okay, what you're trying to add may already be existing, so you don't duplicate those names, or you don't duplicate that particular name. Okay, for example, let me do this, and say Boya. So you can add a student, you can add a picture here from a file, from a webcam, and you can take save. It asks you which class from 3, for example, take register. That's done, and you can pay fees. In that class, the fee is 72,000. You can say, okay, for this student is paying 40k, accept payment. If there's no bank, validate the payment, and you're going. So if you have the privilege to pay fees or to register a new student and pay fees, that's what will happen. Well, I added that student. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.